Give this to Jaime.
Big gun, you! Big. This is bigger than Bobby, huh? What?
Chocolates, you want?
Yeah.
Di sinabi si Ria kung kanino to. Kaya, give this to Waki.
Waki, what do you say to Bea?
Yung electric.
Adriel, another one. Ate Adriel.
Dapat I got lots of cards with Waki.
Ate Adriel daw, oh.
Thank you, what's this?
Ay!
Oh!
Careful.
You okay?
Sabi pala ni
What is
Ria,
this?
huwag daw kukunan lang.
Five.
Okay.
Ano magalit si ano?
Jaime.
Pero okay rin. Ay, mga
Five.
choice na.
Okay, that's it.
Come on, man. I got this.
O sige, ayusin mo na lang
Oh.
muna dyan.
Oh, what will you say?
Thank you.
Later na yung chocolate, ha?
Okay.
When we clear the table.
No, no more chocolate na.
There's a lot of chocolates, Tita Ria.
No more na chocolate.
O, Hilen, di ba baka masira Jaime eh.
Oh,
Let's
English.
abandon this.
Yeah.
Yes.
You wish. You wish. Bea, what's that?
Bea.
What's this for?
That? For, I think for this.
You put the bottle.
I have to charge it first.
And that's for the battery.
Yeah.
O, tago
So the
mo na.
charger wall.
Wow.
O, walang
And
battery.
you need also 2 batteries.